Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh and welcome back to the FlexMind channel. I hope you all would have watched my previous videos on Power Automate Desktop. In those videos, I have demonstrated how to use OCR action, folder action, and other actions of Power Automate Desktop. If you haven't watched it yet, I request you all to please watch it. In my today's videos, I'm going to create a simple Power Automate Desktop flow and I will run that flow using the Power Automate Desktop, Power Automate UI or basically from the Office 365 Power Automate side. So let's start. So first we will create a simple flow. I will just name it test message flow. Let's create it. And this flow will simply pop up the display message. So I will just use the display message action. Sorry. Yeah, message to display. I will just put hello world, which is our old example. I will just save it. Now I will just test run this flow. So okay, so now it's displaying the message. Now I will save this flow. Okay, so now this flow has been saved. Now next task is to run this flow using our Power Automate site. So before proceeding to that, we'll have to install the on-premise data gateway on our machine. In order to run any Power Automate desktop, we need a on-premise data gateway to run that flow on that particular machine. I have already installed the on-premise data gateway. So if I will do on-premise data gateway, it will show that I have already installed the on-premise data gateway. So it's already up and running. If you want the steps how to install the on-premise data gateway, in my description I will provide you the link how you can install the on-premise data gateway. Now I will create a flow. I will just create an instant cloud flow. I will select the option manually trigger a flow and I will just name it PAD test flow. Now I will just create it. In the new step, I will choose desktop flows and I will use run a flow built with Power Automate Desktop. Now it will ask me for the desktop flow which I want to run. So I will choose test message flow and I will run mode will be attended run when you are sign in. We will discover these other options in our next videos, but as of now I am just selecting this option attended run when you are sign in. I will just save it. Okay, maybe we need to authorize it. Okay, I will just select the gateway. I will just use this. Okay, I will just pass the password. Okay, let's create the connection. Okay, now we'll save the flow. So we have provided the connection. So once you provide the connection, then you can save the flow without any error. Now it's time to run it or test it. So I will just close this whole thing now. and we'll go to my flows again, and I will just run this. Let's continue. So you can see now that the Power Automate desktop flow has been triggered using our Power Automate site, which is the Office 365 site. Click just OK. And now if you will see the status of this flow, it will show successful. Just refresh it. Take some time to, yeah. So now you can see the status is succeeded. So that's it. In our next video, we'll explore the other two options. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel for more videos on Power Platform. Thank you everyone.